Hey, this is Jason with PTCI, and today on this video we're going to show you how you can go into Hulu with live TV to the Live tab. When you first go in, it's going to be on Home, but if you go up, you can see that Home is highlighted. Move over to Live. The first thing that's going to come up on Live is whatever live programming that you most recently watched is going to come on. What you can do in here is if you'll hit the down arrow on your Roku remote, it brings up your guide. You can see across the top you've got time, and then also down the left column you've got your channels that are available on your account. And you simply can move through the guide up and down this way. You can also move out and look and see what programs are on later in the evening. Like we can go out and see what's on prime time. So Blind Spot is on from 8 to 9 tonight. If we wanted to record that, we hit the OK button. And you can see it's on Watch on KAMR, or we can move down here to Record. And now it's set to record. It also showed the details, it's got more information about it. Now hit the back arrow to back out of that. You can set your guide up to be several different types of guide. You can also go, we have it on all. You can move it to recent channels that you've watched. You can also put it on My Channels, which that's going to be a shortened guide where you can choose when you first set up your Hulu with live TV, you can set up the channels that are going to be the channels that are your favorites. It also has where you can have them by sports categories, news, movies, and kids programming as well. If we back out, it's back on the live show. Now if I hit the up arrow, it brings up this small menu. You can see pause is highlighted there. If I move to the left, I can actually start this show completely over. Okay, so we brought it back to the beginning of it. Now I can go over, move to the right to watch live, and it'll bring it back up to where it is on live TV. If I move all the way over here to settings, this is where I can turn on my subtitles or closed captioning. And you can see now that the closed captioning is now on the TV. So that is the different things that you can do on Hulu with live TV on the Live tab.